Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sidia, and today I'm going to show you six casual outfits perfect for summer. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the first one, and I know some people might say, oh no, don't do blazer for summer, it's too hot. But I love blazers. Like, it just gives something different and a little edge to the outfit. Like, look how simple this looks without the blazer. No, and I chose this color just to give a little pop of color since all white. And for this, I'll just wear this bag I got from TJ Maxx. So I'm wearing the blazers from Goodwill. This is from Ralph Lauren's. The shorts are from Goodwill. I normally get my pants from Goodwill because they fit better, and then I cut them in shorts. And my Balenciaga inspired sneakers are from Fila. And I'll just roll the sleeve up. And this is a really lightweight blazer. I think it's linen, so you won't get too hot. If you want, you could wear this in the cooler days or in the cooler nights. Also, if I want, I'll just throw on some shades if I'm going for that look. And I'll add these ones from not Forever. Where did I get this from? I think it was H&M or Aldo. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Okay, so this is another casual outfit, and I'm gonna add a blazer as well. And this is also from Goodwill. See how this just look something. And for shoes, I'm gonna do my Bridget's from Jamaica. And for bag, I'll get this Steve Madden bag. This is like a clutch where you put it's really tiny, so you can just hold like cards and stuff in it. And yeah, so on my casual days, I like to wear my bags as crossbody bags. If I was going out, I wouldn't wear it like this. And if I do want to wear any glasses, I'll just add these ones. I honestly don't know where I got these, but this is, again, my shorts, always Goodwill. Trust me, if you guys want nice fitting shorts for summer, go to Goodwill, get the Levi's, the Calvin Klein, the Gap. They have a different vintage style, like mom jeans that you can cut into shorts and perfect for summer. So yeah, Goodwill. I should just call this summer outfits inspired by Goodwill or something like that. But then my sandals and my accessories that my mother watch, just a simple ring I got from Nordstrom Rack, and my necklace. And yeah, so this is the second look. Okay, so for this outfit, this used to be like a jumpsuit that I got from Zara. I didn't really like how it looks when it was a jumpsuit, so what I did, I cut it and make it into a two-piece. But to be honest, I wouldn't wear this like this because I don't know, this is not really my style. Yeah, my style has changed a lot since probably like last year, 2 years ago. So I personally wouldn't wear this together on the road. I just wouldn't feel comfortable. So for me, I would add like a men's button-up shirt to it. To me, it will look more relaxed and more chill. And I'll bring this bag, again, feel more put together, and I'll just roll this up to have this messy chill, like I just got out of bed, but not really. I'm trying, but not too much. And yeah, I'll just wear it like this. And I'm also wearing my Bridget's again. I don't know, it covers me up a little bit. So yeah, guys. Okay, so this is another one. This I got from Goodwill. The bag is from TJ Maxx. Pretty much all of my bags are from TJ Maxx. Yep, and pretty much most of my clothes are from Goodwill or Salvation Army or some sort of thrift store. I personally don't like to shop in stores no more. I I find that they don't really have my style, like the stuff that I like. And if they do, I feel like I'm spending way too much. Like, I have bills now. Girl has a lot of bills, so if I can save, I'm gonna try and save. People think they cannot go to the thrift store and find nice stuff. Pretty sure most of you guys would never think that most of my closet, like 98% or probably 95% of my closet is from the thrift store. But you can find stuff, you just have to look and have patience. And yeah, so I've been looking for pants like this for a long time. These high-waisted, big, like wide leg pants, and these are originally from Loft. And I got these silk shirts. I love to get all my button-ups from the thrift store because they're 100% silk and they fit nice, and more likely not gonna see anybody in them. And silk is just expensive and it looks so elegant. And if you go into a store to buy 100% silk fabric button-up shirt, it's gonna be a lot of money. So pretty much the thrift store is the best way to go. So yeah, this is something I would wear if I'm going to brunch and I want to look cute, but I don't want to dress too much. You know, something casual, but not too casual. Because of the white pants, it makes you a little bit more dressy. And then I'll bring this purse that I got from TJ Maxx, as I said. You know, because I don't have anything right here, I wanted it to be a little bit sexy. If I wanted, I could have buttoned it and, you know, make it a little bit more classy, like even one button right here. Yeah, so just like that. And you know, I wear my budgets again. These sandals are probably my best purchase. Like, these go with any and everything. If I want it to be extra, I just add these brown shades. I'm gonna change the top just to show you how I can even, you know, switch up my looks without even trying. And I'm gonna go for my blazer. Usual. Again, all my blazers are from Goodwill because I like them oversized. I would wear this to brunch, like probably on a Sunday, depending on how I feel. This is a linen, it's very lightweight. And for this, I would probably take the strap from the back, grab the shades. And yeah, and if I really want to put it up there, you know, dress it up, I'll add some heels. But this is not about the heels, it's very casual, so I won't do that. But the accessories are the same. And if you don't feel comfortable wearing it like this, or you feel like it's a little bit too boxy for you, what I would do is get a tank. I would probably change the bag and add this straw one that I got from Goodwill, not Goodwill, TJ Maxx. I'm a bougie, on a budget kind of girl. I don't like to spend a lot of money, so you guys can see. I'm telling you, this blazer is gonna be my go-to for the summer because it's really lightweight. So for my next outfit, it's based on this again. This would be my casual chic, you know, kind of thing. So I have this biker shorts I got from Forever 21, thrifted, my fillers, and then I'll add this bag again from TJ Maxx, my shades. Very comfy. I'll wear this probably going shopping because it's easy to get off and get on, go into things, come off, you know. Hope you guys like this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think about this video, if I should continue doing more summer things. I think I'm gonna come up with a date night, summer night, girls night outfit. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite outfit. I'm sorry there won't be any links to any of these outfits, but I'm just showing you a little inspiration. You guys can use anything, you know, to not necessarily the exact clothes, but you know, a blazer or something like this. Some inspiration for your summer. Check out Goodwill as well. Save some coins this summer because, so I'm just showing you that you don't have to spend a lot to look like you did spend a lot, look expensive. And yeah, so take care guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.